When a life-threatening situation occurs, professionals risk their lives to save yours. They put their faith in the quality of their materials. And that's where we come in. Our main office is located near the port of Rotterdam, on premises measuring 12,000 square meters. With 4 branches, 175 professionals and a worldwide strategic network of agents, you can count on us for solid advice and fast support wherever you are. Since 1983, Kenbri has developed to become the expert in the field of firefighting, for both regional fire brigades and for industrial partners. Our offshore and maritime department has everything for professional firefighting and safety on board. Kenbri is also specialised in aircraft firefighting. We've been supplying vehicles and materials to customers, including the Ministry of Defence, for many years. Safety cannot be postponed. Kenbri can guarantee fast delivery times thanks to large stocks and an extensive assortment. However, safety is largely tailor-made. We're happy to map out your specific situation for you. Our engineers can then design the optimum solution. From state-of-the-art extinguisher systems in the petrochemical industry to the latest equipment for helicopter platforms. Cutting-edge systems, one and all that we do and deliver meets the applicable laws and regulations. We create your solution with a focus on every detail. Are you interested in used firefighting vehicles and materials? We always have a large selection available. Kenbri's services extend far beyond the supply of materials. For example, we also offer training courses to ensure that your materials are used properly. You can rely on our 50 certified service engineers to inspect and maintain your materials. An online dashboard offers you 24/7 insight into the status of your systems. And if a malfunction should ever occur, then our rental department is always on standby to arrange a backup solution. You can remain on top of the latest developments through our seminars. In short, Kenbri offers a total solution for your firefighting needs and saves you lots of time and work. With minimum effort on your part, you can count on maximum safety. Kenbri Firefighting.